All right, so this is going to be the second part of the Jacktown videos, and there's a lot of tractor pulling going on there, and they got a nice track. I don't know exactly how long it is. It's 200 feet, I think, but they got a sled, and they got a buzzer on the sled if you go over the speed limit, and you'll hear that go off on one of the guys. But the track is a real clay-like material, and it was like a big mud hole. I didn't get it, but anyways, I like Olivers, and there's a ton of Olivers there. Some real nice ones with original patina, some real restored ones, 66, 88, 77, you name it, there were Olivers there. It's really cool. And there was a Minneapolis Moline, there's a couple other oddball tractors there, some Massey Harris, a lot of Farmalls, a lot of John Deeres. You'll see this guy with a Farmall and a back blade on it, grading the track. It's got a diesel, and the engine was yellow, and I kind of wondered if it was a cat diesel, but I never asked the guy. Anyways, I hope you enjoy the rest of Jacktown. He has 6 5-horse Briggs & Strattons in it, power in it. It's funny. That is funny. our cars.
Gravely, chainsaws, dog eaters.
They were gone. When you see the stuff that you now, if it's something you need, or you know you kind of want, you just gotta get it right away. Normal.
Yeah, if he drives the birds with the flights, drive him nuts. He's been watching he's put his feet. Oh, wow.
Never seen one of those before. Sheffield Railroad car engine.
What year?
I don't know.
Pretty new.